Welcome to Grow Potential. Today we will share with you a very powerful and simple practice, the sky meditation. This method can help you silence the mind, open the heart, and connect with the infinite space within. Osho spoke about this meditation and said, "Touch your inner space, which is silent and empty like the sky, this is your true nature." With this insight, let us begin. When we continuously gaze at the clear sky, and our eyes become steady, the mind comes to a halt, and the soul becomes silent. In that very moment, the infinite inner sky opens within you. Sit comfortably or lie down. Relax your body completely. Take a few deep breaths in, and slowly breathe out. With every exhalation, feel lighter, calmer, more at ease. Now gently open your eyes. Look at the vast, endless sky. Don't strain your gaze, let it be soft and natural. Simply watch. Feel its purity, its emptiness, its infinity. As if the sky is absorbing you within itself. Thoughts will come and go. Do not fight them, do not follow them. Let them pass like clouds drifting across the sky. You are not the thoughts, you are the witness. Gradually, your gaze becomes steady. And as the gaze becomes steady, the mind also becomes silent and still. In that silence, a vast inner sky reveals itself. Endless, boundless, free from all limits. Rest in this space. Feel the expansion, the emptiness, the peace. Go as deep as you can. This is the doorway into your infinite self. Slowly, become aware of your body again. Notice your breathing, gently close your eyes. And carry the silence of the sky within you. Sky meditation is not just a technique. It is a simple doorway, a return to the infinite space of existence. Practice it every day, and it will gradually become part of your life. Thank you for watching. If this meditation inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. And subscribe to Grow Potential for more deep wisdom and meditation practices.